Okay, so this was the trade. I missed out on this trade today, and let me just explain this trade basically. So we had news by 10, but I didn't really see any huge impact on it. It was a red folder though, so I don't know. Didn't really see any impact today by 10. So on S&P, switch it. So on S&P, we ended up inversing this 1 hour fair value gap. We swept out London lows, and we then swept out Asian lows. For NASDAQ, we didn't sweep Asian lows. We just swept London lows and previous day lows. You can see we didn't sweep out all the Asian lows. So it was also giving a clear SMT. So I was looking for bullish trades today, obviously. That doesn't mean I cannot find sell trades in case for a pullback. So as you can see, we ended up respecting this 1 hour fair value gap that S&P didn't respect. So after sweeping previous day lows, we ended up going higher and higher. Now we ended up seeing this 15 minutes fair value gap, which was right here. Right here, we had this 15 minutes fair value gap. So I was thinking of taking a trade off of that fair value gap. So I went to the 1 minute time frame to see better entries. And on the 1 minute, I was literally looking at this trade, but I couldn't take this trade. Why? Because I was in the middle of something. As we tapped into this 15 minutes fair value gap, as you can see, no candle bodies above this 15 minutes fair value gap. So we have not successfully inversed this 15 minutes fair value gap. Then we came right here, we had this 1 minute fair value gap. Also, we had the same thing. Nobody has closed below this 1 minute fair value gap. Then until we had this huge body closure. Now, as we had this huge body closure, it shows that we're inversing this 1 minute fair value gap. And on this pullback right here, this is where I would have taken my trade. This is legit where I would have taken this trade. And then this is a sniper close, because all I'll be doing is aiming for this fair value gap right here, which is also overlapping with this bullish breaker block right here. So this should be a clear exit position right there. Yeah, we have a 1 minute breaker block. This is a clear good sniper close right here, and would have made about 40 points on this trade. If we convert that to a 0.01 trade, that would have made me $4 on this trade. So this trade was a 1 to 1.6 trade, and yeah, that's basically it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.